How to share your Facebook profile. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can share your Facebook profile. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step right here is you'll need to have the updated version of Facebook. So make sure that you have that. After that, you can open up your Facebook and also make sure you're logged in into your account. After you do that, what you can then do is tap on the menu option on the bottom right. Then tap on your profile on the top. After that, you should be on your profile. Now, if you want to share your profile right here, what you can do is you can simply tap on these three dots right here. And after you tap on the three dots option, scroll down all the way. There you'll see two options. One is you can tap on the share profile option to share it to whomever you want. So there you can see on the bottom, there are different, you know, websites, apps as well, such as WhatsApp, Messenger, Insta, and stuff like that. So if I tap on Insta, then tap on OK, it should lead me to Insta where I can share my, Facebook profile. So if I tap on share from here, so let's say I'm going to share it to this group. And if I tap on share, it's been shared right here. Instead of that, if I want, I can copy the file link as well and then copy and paste it to some other place. And that's basically how you can share your Facebook profile. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.